So we need a square of 4 3/4 by 4 3/4, and then we need 4 of these, which are 2 3/4 squares. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just mark where it goes from that point down to this point here. Hold it steady. Do a little line on one side and a line on the other. You can use a water-soluble pen. Oops, oh my goodness. I'm butchering this. Okay. Or just like a little pencil mark like I am, okay. And then those are your sew lines. And you kind of really want to sew right on that line, okay? Okay. Okay, now we take 2 of those and we line them up right in the corner. Okay, and then overlap it right in the opposite corner. Okay, there. And make sure these lines are lined up, and then you're just going to stitch right down on both of those lines. Not this side of the line, just like read on it if you can. And this is if you want to get yourself all set up, you can go and chain piece a whole bunch of these. But I want to show you this first, then we'll build out the block, and then we're going to do a whole bunch of these. Okay. When it gets to there, I just lift my foot, needle up, lift my foot up, and then we'll just line up. Make sure these lines are similar, like they're like doing a choo-choo train, okay? Going down the track. Now we're going to take this and then we're going to cut with our ruler right in between there. Give it a 1/4 inch seam allowance to either side, okay? So back to the table. And we come in with our ruler and we go from tip to tip right across the diagonal. Then we take our 2 pieces and we fold these back. So it kind of looks like a kitty cat or a fox or, you know, something like that at this point. Okay, just push it back. You could add a little heat loving if you like. Then you're going to take those other 2 and you're going to line it up just like that. Okay, make sure it's right on. And then you're going to sew down those 2 lines. Okay. And that is our wham bam 4 at one time flying geese. So just going to lift our needle, turn it around, line her up. Get this one. Make sure it's all lined up. Okay. Now we cut those exactly the same way using the stitch line as your indicator for seam allowance. Go right in the middle, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 flying geese. Magic. Nope. Kind of feels like magic.